Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make peanut butter Maggi the only way. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need 1 packet of Maggi noodles, along with its seasoning sachet. Also, prepare 2 generous tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Finally, have 1 cup of water ready for cooking. For an extra kick, consider a dash of chili flakes. This unique combination creates a surprisingly delicious and satisfying meal in just a few minutes. Now let's get cooking. Begin by boiling 1 cup of water in a small saucepan over medium heat. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add the Maggi noodles. Cook them for exactly 2 minutes, ensuring they become tender but not mushy. After 2 minutes, drain most of the water, leaving approximately 2 tablespoons in the pan. This small amount of liquid will help create the perfect sauce consistency for our next step. This is where the magic happens. First, stir in the entire Maggi seasoning packet, mixing it thoroughly with the cooked noodles. Next, add 2 full tablespoons of creamy peanut butter directly into the pan. Stir everything together vigorously until the peanut butter completely melts and coats every strand of noodle. You want a smooth, even, and luscious sauce. This step transforms your ordinary Maggi into something truly special. Your delicious peanut butter Maggi is now ready to enjoy. For an optional touch, sprinkle a small amount of chili flakes over the top just before serving. Serve your unique creation immediately while it's warm. Take a moment to savor the incredible blend of savory Maggi flavors with the rich, nutty creaminess of the peanut butter. This simple yet innovative dish offers a delightful and satisfying twist on a classic comfort food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.